How to see other views on Facebook story. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Facebook on your phone. When your profile is on public, everyone will be able to see your post and stories. That means not only your friends but other people also will be able to see your post and stories, but you will not know who. To find out, what you want to do is tap on the menu on the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings again. Now go to the search bar and search for Story Settings. Then tap on Story Privacy. In Story Privacy, you have to select Public, and you can also tap on Custom. And here you can search for anyone. That means I'm here searching for a person that is in my search list. Because I was in Only Friends before, the other viewers are not shown here. But if my story was in public and I have already put the story and viewers have viewed it, the people who have viewed my story and are in my Messenger DMs, they'll be shown here. So that is how you can see other viewers on Facebook story. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.